Good news for adventure bike lovers, especially Yamaha fans. The Yamaha Ténéré 700, a modern enduro bike that has been around since 2019, now gets a new twist that Yamaha's loyal fans have been waiting for. A retro look inspired by the glory days of 80s adventure bikes. Since its first release, the Yamaha Ténéré 700 has been known as a tough and versatile bike. With a two-cylinder engine capable of producing up to 73.5 horsepower and a weight of just over 200 kilograms, this bike is ideal for tackling a variety of terrains. The long travel suspension and 21/18-inch tires make it ready to explore even off-road trails. Even so, not all Yamaha fans were satisfied. Many felt that the Ténéré 700's modern design, especially the projector headlight and futuristic-style body, was too far removed from the Ténéré's historical roots. They longed for the classic look of the iconic and legendary 1980s Ténéré. Unfortunately, Yamaha has yet to release an official retro version of this model. In response, Lisbon, Portugal-based custom workshop Holy Moly Motorcycles has come up with an interesting solution. They present a retro conversion kit for the Yamaha Ténéré 700 that is ready to use and has been available since March 2025. The design is instantly reminiscent of the classic Ténéré, complete with a strong vintage feel. The kit can be used for all Ténéré 700 models from 2019 onwards. Interestingly, the kit is plug and amp, play, so the main installation process only takes about an hour. But since some of the original components need to be removed first, the whole conversion process can take around 5 hours. So, if you're looking to bring the spirit of 80s adventure back to the streets or off-road trails of today, Holy Moly's Retro Kit is a great choice. With its classic look and modern performance, this Retro Ténéré 700 is a world of two.